Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my DIY herbal hair oil. The specific oils that I used for this was coconut oil and mustard oil. Those two oils for my hair are very moisturizing. I know that some people don't like coconut oil, which is fine, but I find that a lot of people use it to seal their hair, which to me is not a good idea because coconut oil tends to solidify at a certain temperature, which could initially dry your hair out. If you are mixing it with a more hydrating oil like Jamaican black castor oil, mustard oil, then I think it would be fine. It works really well with my hair. It doesn't dry my hair out. Now I also use mustard oil, which is super moisturizing. It's almost as thick as Jamaican black castor oil, but it has a little bit more movement to it, but it's super moisturizing. I think that these two oils together work very well with each other. And as far as the herbs go, these specific herbs that I use for my hair are specifically for the scalp and scalp health. If you're thinking about making this oil for yourself and you feel like coconut oil or mustard oil aren't the right oils for you, you can also use almond oil, olive oil, whichever oil you feel like works good for your hair. Only thing that I do with this is I apply it to my scalp only. I do not apply it throughout the length of my hair. I basically apply this oil to my scalp with my hair already done, and I just gently separate my hair and find like scalp or find, you know, a part, and I like to do that. And I just take a little bit on my finger, dip it into the oil, and I just press it into my scalp. You don't have to use a lot of it. If you feel like the oil is a little bit too much for you to use every day like I do, then you can just use it maybe twice a week, once a week when you actually do your wash day. You can use this oil as a pre-poo. But me personally, I want to get the best benefits and the best results out of using this oil, so I like to apply it to my hair every single day. That's all I have for this video. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up, and before you leave, please think about subscribing. Just hit the red button down below, and also the notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I post a video. Also comment down below if you're interested